it's going through right now. You can see, I mean, it's dead even with the bridge right now. You can see what I've got to go through right here. But, hey, we can handle it, I hope. You can see me going through this right now. I'm driving any way, form, or fashion. You can see what it's doing to the people's homes. The devastation of all the fields and everything getting flooded out around people's homes. It's just outrageously, and I ain't going to show their whole houses and stuff out of respect. You know, I don't want to disrespect people, but it's getting bad around here. I'll show you like side views and stuff, but it's getting so bad anymore that we all have to deal with the hard things and good things. I may be talking about the same stuff over and over and over, but it's so devastating to see what's going on. You can see the roads and stuff, and the water is almost dead level with it. Hold on a minute, let me wipe the camera lens. If it didn't make it worse. So much stuff's going on right now, though. I'm at high risk, and even running my camera, the only camera I got, but I'll do it, you know, for the show to you all. I mean, it's just outrageous how fast that water is running. But I'll come back down the back way on the main road and show you what it looks like on the top hill. I'm on the low end right now where the homes are. A lot of people can't get out. If they went to the grocery store or anything else, they may not get to for 3 or 4 days. You know what? I mean, there's things here that you've got to keep in mind. People has to get prepared for this. It's just like any other hurricane or anything. This is what we have to go through. I'm going through water now. We got to go through big backwaters and floodwaters. But again, pray for these people that we don't lose everything. And if it gets worse, I'm coming video it again. If I get a bunch of likes and shares, I'll show you the result after and what it looks like that people have to do to clean up after themselves. I'm bending my camera down. I don't want to disrespect any of the fellowships and homes. Poor animals and this stuff. It's hard to get them all out. There's people riding around on four-wheelers with me. It's flowing bad.